Okay, now I'm gonna buy my train ticket to Brescia. I go to my app that I have under travel. That's where I have all my train apps. I go to Trenitalia. I go to the magnifying glass search button. I put in departure, so Milan, and they say all stations. I said yes, and then I put in for arrival Brescia. I don't know how to pronounce it, but find out. I have the date is correct. I want direct trains, so I press the direct train solutions and search, because I'm going to be stopping a lot. What time do I want to leave? Well, a little bit later, because it's only 11 now. So let's say close to 1. So I have one that's $7.40, really good price. It's 1 hour and 6 minutes to get there, and it's leaving from Milan Centrale. That's really good. So I could get that one. Actually, I'm gonna get it right now. Right? Yes, because that's where I wanted to go. I have plenty of time. All right, so let's do it. So I select it, and I want an ordinary ticket because first class was like stupid the other day. Fine. Proceed. Searching, and it already has my details because I used it before. So basically your name, last name, date of birth, contact number, email, and I don't have a discount coupon or anything like that, so I go proceed. I have a fast payment credit card already registered. I don't have to put in the button, the numbers in again. And you can also pay with PayPal, Apple Pay, Amazon Pay, all kinds of pay. Everything is paid. And then I accept the carrier conditions and proceed. Does it work? Does it work? Waiting payment confirmation. Please wait. Purchase successful. As easy as that. Oh, I can add it to my Apple Wallet. I want that because that's really convenient. So I add that, and then I could go to my journeys to make sure everything is there. I don't have my glasses on, so I could like squint. I have to squint. All right, so I have. So here I have a ticket, and it says Milano Centrale at 13:25 going to Brescia. And I got a confirmation from my bank that I just purchased something for $7.40, $80, whatever it was. I hope it helped. Let's go to the train. Well, it's a little early. Let's check out first. I am in Duomo train station. So the M1 and the M3 stop here. I'm going to show you how I get to Centrale train station. The Centrale is there. Yes, or it's probably here, but we can't see it. Yeah, because a lot of people have pointed to that.